Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking about skincare products, and Jason was begging to be in my video. So he is going to be the model for today, and I'm going to be showing you my favorite winter skincare routine, and Jason is going to be receiving all the beauty benefits today. Are you ready to be the most beautiful boy in all the land?
I guess.
You're going to have glowing winter skin. You won't be have to have this dehydrated skin anymore.
It's not dehydrated.
It is. It is.
Alright.
Are you ready to get in your spa outfit?
I'm in my spa outfit.
No. This is your spa outfit. Look who's back and more beautiful than ever.
Yep.
He looks like a Persian prince.
I feel like it's like a Rocky Balboa, Elton John collab.
Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we need to... Did you remove your makeup yet? You did?
Clean slate.
Okay. Well, let's wash your face first. And I've been using the Star Skin Sea Kelp Leaf Cleansing Foam Wash. And it's amazing. We're going to put a little bit of this and rub it in. Oh, tuck it in your eye.
Is this supposed to go in your eyeballs?
No. And then I warmed this. It's a nice warm towel. Maybe you should do this part.
You're not gonna get a good Yelp review.
Okay, so now that you have a nice, clean, beautiful face, we're gonna put on your mask.
Alright.
Because masks are super important, and a hydrating mask is probably the best in the winter. And I've been using the Summer Fridays Jet Lag mask, and it is seriously amazing. I use it pretty much every morning after I get out of the shower. I put it on. And I actually use this on the airplane too when we went to LA.
How long does it stay on for?
Like minimum 10 minutes, and some people wear it overnight. And you're going to be wearing it for 6 hours.
Why?
You're not. I was just kidding. In your hair. It's like really in your hair.
You're fired.
There. That looks really good, Jace.
Stop fire.
Yeah, so you can let that sit and it'll start to get transparent. So we'll let it sit for like 10 minutes. And I think we're going to go make a green smoothie. Jason's mask has soaked in, so you can see it's not white anymore. And while we were waiting, we made a green smoothie, and it has collagen protein in it. And it's absolutely delicious, and it'll make your skin glow from the inside out.
What else is in it?
Banana, kale, spinach, coconut water.
Yogurt? Greek yogurt?
Greek yogurt. Super yummy.
Cheers.
You keep sipping away.
Feel it
Relax.
in my veins.
Now you have to take off your mask. And you can do this with a warm washcloth, or you can rub it in and leave it in if you want to have your mask on longer. And I am going to wipe it off with this nice warm towel, steamed to perfection.
Okay. The towel was steamed like an hour ago.
It wasn't even steamed. I actually just stuck it under cold water. There, does it feel like it's off?
I don't know. Is it supposed to feel like sticky-ish?
No. I'll scrub a little harder. Okay, how's that? That feels good. Right, so the first serum we're going to apply is the Rescue Serum. And this one has vitamin C and helps even skin tones, build resilience, and boost radiance. So this one has this pumper.
All
You
right.
just take a pump, squirt it into your hands, pat your hands together, and just pat it on. And it's like super potent, so you don't need very much. Oh, we forgot a step.
Did we really?
Yeah.
What?
Exfoliating. Well, I guess we can just talk about it. What I would do before the serum is the Joanna Vargas exfoliating mask. And this you just rub in, you put it on an upward motion, and then you let it sit on your face for 5 minutes, and then you rinse it off. And it's amazing. And you only use it 2 times a week, and it will help reduce any dark spots and also make your skin nice and shiny and glowy. Okay, so now that we have your rescue serum on, we're gonna do a little spritz of pink essence. It's gonna be a mist. It's not even that bad. Was that bad? Doesn't it smell good?
It does smell good.
Yeah, so this is called, I don't remember, it's Lapcos, Alpcos, and I'll have all the links below too. Next, we're gonna make your eyes bright and get rid of those ugly bags.
Bright.
He doesn't have bags, guys. It's
I probably do.
It's for the drama. It's for the drama.
No, I got
Okay.
bags. What's that? See that?
It's nothing.
That'll be gone.
Yeah, it's fine. So this is the Skin Authority Reviving Eye Brightener, and I use it in the morning and at night before I go to bed. And this you put underneath underneath your eyes and then on top, and now he'll have beautiful glowing eyeballs, or around his eyeballs. Anyway, so this is the rejuvenating serum, and it is an anti-aging serum that improves hydration and tone. And again, I don't use a lot of this. A little goes a long ways. You just put a pump in the hand, rub your hands together. And whenever I do this, I feel like it's like Home Alone, but Jason won't scream. And it doesn't burn. It feels good. You just kind of pat it in. Make sure you get it all in the skin. Doesn't that feel good?
Feels pretty good. Not gonna lie.
It smells super good too. So I have 2 that I've been using. This is a jade roller. Both of these increase drainage, lymphatic drainage in your face to to decrease puffiness. So yeah, this is a skin gem and this is a jade roller. Which one do you want to use?
I'll take the dungeon looking one.
So then you just want to take it and roll away from the middle of your face, away and up. And it's like a workout for your face. And I think that's probably why they called it a skin gym. Because you can't really like...
Oh, skin gym?
Yeah.
Like a gym, like workout?
Yeah.
I thought you said gem.
No, skin gym. And it's like working everything out and like making your face more toned and less puffy.
Nose?
I never do the nose. No, I don't think the nose really matters.
Feel good.
Okay. And then just kind of like pat, just make sure there's like no left serum because you don't want to waste any because 1, it's expensive, and 2, you want to make sure you soak in all that wonderful goodness. I always like to do a lip mask just because it's really good, especially since I use matte liquid lipstick, that it dries out my lips, so it's always good to moisturize before you put on your lipstick. And this is, I think it's called a cashmere lip pot. It's just lip balm. It's fine. It's not lipstick. Okay, rub your lips together. You got like it all over there. There.
Feels like a lot.
It kind of looks like a lot. You could kiss me and then it could go on my lips. Guys, how cute was that? This has been my go-to, and it's Charlotte I'm having such a hard time talking right now. Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream. No, yeah, it was a struggle.
Nailed it.
Why are your eyes closed?
I just don't know when you're gonna go for my eyeballs.
I'm not gonna go for your eyeballs. Okay, now when you rub it in, I like to rub it like up and away, like in the motion that I use the jade roller. Okay, so rub that in. Let's see if he's been paying attention.
Up and away.
Yeah. But you didn't rub in your lotion very well either.
You know, I'm a first timer here.
I do the same routine in the morning and at night, and it It just completely changes your skin. It makes it feel so good. You don't have the dehydrated skin. Even though it's winter, you can still get a fresh, gorgeous glow. Guys, look how wonderful he looks. Doesn't he look so good? Look at that glow.
So much glow.
If you guys liked this video, give it a big thumbs
Give it a big thumbs up.
give it a big thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe below. And I think that's it. Also, keep your skin hydrated. Go for that glow.